Hey first grade, happy Monday! This week we're going to be talking a lot about numbers 1 through 120 and ones and tens. Okay, so our vocabulary for today, we have the word ones, which are numbers 1 through 9, and tens, which is a group of 10 ones. So I'm going to show you really quick what this looks like. Alright, so here I have some ones blocks. Okay, let's count how many I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 blocks. I want to see if I have a group of 10. So let me see if I can count out a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is a group of 10 right here. Once I get to 10 ones, I can trade it out for a tens block. So I have 10 ones, I'm going to trade that out. Now let's count to see if I have a group of 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that a group of 10? Nope, that's 9 ones. Okay, so right here I have one group of 10 and 9 ones. What number is that? 19. Good job, because I see I have one group of 10 and 9 ones. That's the number 19. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to pull out my tens mat for this. So on this side I'm going to count tens, and this side I'm going to count ones. Alright, so let's start with, let's count out how many ones I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So what number do I have here? I have 5 ones. I have nothing in the tens place, so what number is this? 5, that's right. We had some more. That's some more ones. 2, 3. Okay, now let's count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the number 10. I can't put my number 10 all in the ones spot because I need one number for each spot. So my 10 looks like this. If I have 10 ones, I need to switch them out into a one group of 10. So now I have a base 10 block. So now I have one group of 10 and 0 ones. That's the number 10. Okay, what if I added, let's see what number this is. Okay, see I have one group of 10, and then I have 1, 2, 3 ones. That's the number 13. That's right, because I have one group of 10 and 3 ones. Alright, we're going to practice more with this throughout the week, so if it's still a little confusing, that's okay. Alright, let's look at today's activity. Let's go back to the PowerPoint. See if I can get it to play. Alright, so let's go to the next slide. I'm sorry, my computer is acting up. Let's see. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is cut out the paper squares. So you should have a piece of paper that looks like this in your packet. You need to cut out all the squares to make it look like this. So you have 100 separate pieces. Alright, once you have all those cut out, this is how you're going to play. I'm going to read the directions to you, and then I'll show you. You need to grab a handful of those paper squares and drop them onto the floor. You're then going to count them, and when you're counting them, you want to make sure you're also making groups of 10. Okay, you're going to do this a couple times. So down here, I made groups of 10 with all my dropped papers. I had 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 5 groups of 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then I had 4 ones. So 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so now do it with me. Alright, so I'm going to get some of my paper squares. I'm not going to do all of them. I'm going to drop them. Now I'm going to count to see how many I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so let's count this by making groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. So I counted 15. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's do another one. I'm going to drop more this time. Ooh, I just dropped a lot. So I'm going to start this one by making groups of 10 because I don't want to count these individually. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one group of 10. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Three groups of 10. And with the same papers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's four groups of 10. And then I have 3 left, so I can't make a group of 10 with my ones that are left. Okay, so now this is how many papers I dropped this time. I'm going to count them. So I know these are groups of 10, so I can count these by 10, right? So I know I have 10, 20, 30, 40. I have to count these by ones because they're worth 1. 41, 42, 43. So I have 43 squares. I have 4 groups of 10s and 3 ones. So I can remember I can count them by 10s because they're groups of 10. So I say 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, and this is what you're going to do. I want you to do it a couple times, so keep dropping papers and counting them by making groups of 10. Once you've played that game a couple times, you're going to answer these questions. Alright, so the first one is how many pieces were counted? So how many pieces did I just count? I just counted 43 pieces. Okay? How many 10s did I have? So how many groups of 10 did I make? Right, I made 4 groups of 10. Okay, so when you look at my papers, I had 4 little groups of 10, right? And then how many ones did I have left over? So right, I had 3. You're going to answer these with your own numbers based on what you counted. Okay, and I want you to do this a couple times. So keep playing until you have done it at least 5 times. Okay? If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Have a great day. Bye.